Now we will find area of general quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral ABCD. To find the area of any quadrilateral, be split into two triangles. टू ट्रायंगल्स में इसको स्प्लिट किया गया. दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज स्प्लिटेड इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स बाय ड्राइंग डायगोनल AC. Two triangles are ABC. Its base is AC and altitude is H2. Other triangle is ADC, whose base is also AC and altitude is H1. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC, written here area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. This is ACD equal to area of triangle ABC half into AC into H2. H2 is altitude and AC is base plus half into AC into H1. Area of triangle ACD, AC is base and H1 is altitude. H1 is altitude equal to half into AC is common factor in both terms, so equal to half into AC. AC is taken as common, so H2 plus H1 will be under bracket equal to half into AC is diagonal of quadrilateral, so we will write D in place of AC under bracket H1 plus H2, where D denotes the length of diagonal of AC. Area of quadrilateral equal to half into diagonal into sum of altitudes drawn on the diagonal from other two vertices. H1 and H2 are altitudes drawn from the vertices D on AC and vertices B on H2. Vertices from vertices B on AC. Now come to worksheet 2. Question number 1. Find the area of the following quadrilateral. Question number 1. PQRS is quadrilateral. We have to find the area of the quadrilateral PQRS. Solution. So in order to find the area of quadrilateral PQRS, we draw diagonal SQ. 7 cm is given here, diagonal of quadrilateral PQRS. We divide quadrilateral PQRS in two triangles. Triangle PQS and triangle RQS. QS is common base of two triangles, triangle PQS and triangle RQS. Now area of quadrilateral PQRS equal to area of triangle PQS plus area of triangle RQS equal to half into QS. QS is base of triangle PQS into altitude is PX. So we write here PX, base into altitude PX plus area of triangle RQS half into base is same QX, altitude R by is altitude of triangle RQS. Triangle RQS altitude is given here, R by 3 centimeter, equal to half into base is given 7, QS is given 7, into PX is given 4, plus half into QS is given 7 and altitude is given 3. 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 7 2 जा 14, plus 7 3 जा 21 by 2, equal to 1. LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. 2 divided by 1 2, and 2 multiplied by 14 gives 28, plus 2 divided by 2 1, 21 multiplied by 1 gives 21. So 28 plus 21 by 2 equal to 49 by 2 equal to 24.5 centimeter square. So area of quadrilateral PQR is equal to 24.5 centimeter square. Now come to question number 3. Given figure is pentagon A, B, C, D, E, A. 5 sides are here, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A. Solution. This figure is pentagon. Diagonal AC divides pentagon into 2 parts. One part is trapezium ACD, trapezium ACD, ACD, and other part is triangle ABC. For trapezium ACD, ट्रेपेजियम ACD के लिए पैरेलल साइड्स आर गिवन 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 8 सेंटीमीटर. पैरेलल साइड्स आर 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड 12 सेंटीमीटर. एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज गिवन हियर 2 सेंटीमीटर EF. For triangle ABC, AC is base, which is given 12 centimeter, and BG is height given 4 centimeter. So area of pentagon ABCD equal to area of trapezium ACDE plus area of triangle ABC, equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height plus half into base into height. Half into parallel side of trapezium AC and ED. So sum of parallel side AC plus ED into height EF plus half into base of triangle AC into height BG. BG is height of triangle and AC is base of triangle. Half into parallel sides are given AC 12 plus ED 8 into altitude 2 plus half into AC 12 into BG 4. Half into 12 plus 8 20 into 2. 2 will be cancelled here. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So area of pentagon ABCD equal to 20 plus 24 equal to 44 meter square. Now question number 2. Find area of polygon. Here is given polygon. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Solution. Given polygon is a hexagon. We divide hexagon into 4 triangles. Hexagon is divided into 4 triangles by drawing diagonals FD, FC and FB. 3 diagonals are drawn. So 4 triangles are formed. EFD, 4 triangle EFD, base FD equal to 5 cm, altitude equal to 2 cm. 4 triangle EFD, base FD 5 cm, and this is altitude 2 cm. 4 triangle CFD, 4 triangle CFD, base FD equal to 7 cm and altitude equal to 4 cm. This is altitude 4 cm and base CF 7 cm. Base CF. Base CF equal to 7 cm. Altitude equal to 4 cm. 4 triangle BCF. 4 triangle BCF. Base CF 7 cm. CBF के लिए base 7 cm and altitude 4 cm. Altitude 4 cm. 4 triangle ABF. Base BF is given here 6.5 cm and altitude is 2 cm. Altitude equal to 2 cm. So we will find area of all these 4 triangles. Area of polygon equal to area of triangle EFD plus area of triangle CFD plus area of triangle BCF plus area of triangle ABF equal to half into base is 5 cm and altitude is 2 cm of triangle EFD plus half into base is given 7 cm and altitude is given 4 cm of triangle CFD plus area of triangle BCF half into base is 7 cm and altitude is 4 cm plus area of triangle ABF half into base is given 6.5 cm into height 2 cm equal to 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 cancel 5 plus 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 7 2 जा 14 plus 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 7 2 जा 14 plus 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 cancel 6.5 equal to 14 plus 5 19 14 plus 6.5 20.5 equal to adding these two numbers we get 39.5 centimeter. So area of polygon equal to 39.5 centimeter. Now come to question number 4. there is a pentagonal park. Neha and Nidhi divided it into two different ways to find its area. This is figure. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon. Neha and Nidhi divided it into two different ways to find its area. Neha's figure is given here and Nidhi's figure is given here. Neha divided this figure into two parts and each part is trapezium, and Nidhi divides figure into two parts. One part is triangle and other part is rectangle. Solution. Neha's figure is divided into two trapeziums, AEDF and BCDF. Parallel sides of trapezium AEDF equal to 28 meter and 15 meter. Two trapezium AEDF and BCDF. Two sides, these are parallel sides. One side is 28 meter and other side is 50 meter. These are parallel sides, and this is 6 centimeter is altitude. So area of trapezium AEDF equal to, as you know, area of trapezium AEDF equal to half E into sum of parallel sides into altitude, equal to half into sum of parallel sides. What was parallel sides? 28 and 15. So sum of parallel side will be 28 plus 15 into 6. Altitude was 6. Equal to half into 28 plus 15, 43 into 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. 6 will be divided by 2 and 2 also will be divided by 2 gives 1. 6 divided by 2 gives 3. So 43 into 3 equal to 129 meter square. Parallel sides of trapezium BCDF are also 28 meter and 15 meter. Altitude equal to 6 meter. Area of trapezium BCDF will be same, equal to half into sum of parallel sides into altitude, equal to half into sum of parallel sides 28 plus 15 into 6 equal to half into 43 into 6. 2 3 ja 6. 2 divided 6 and 2 divided by common factor 2. So 2 divided by 2 gives 1. 2 divided by 2 gives 1. Half into 28 plus 15 into 6. Half into 43 into 6. 2 3 ja 6. 43 3 ja 129. 129 meter square. So the area of park of first figure equal to 129 plus 129 equal to 258 meter square. Second way, Nidhi's figure is divided into two parts. One is triangle CDE and other is rectangle ABC. For triangle CDE, base CE equal to 12 meter, altitude DF equal to 28 meter minus 50 meter, 13 meter. Here is triangle. This is base of triangle and this is height, total height 28 meter and 15 meter will be minus. So value of DF will be 28 meter minus 15 meter. This is 15 meter and this total height is 28 meter. So DF will be 28 meter minus 15 meter. So altitude of triangle DF equal to 28 meter minus 15 meter equal to 13 meter. Area of triangle CD equal to half into base 12 meter into altitude 13 meter. 2 6 ja 12 cancel, 13 6 ja 78 meter square. For rectangle ABC, length BC equal to 15 meter and breadth AB equal to 12 meter. So area of rectangle ABC equal to length into breadth, 15 meter into 12 meter, 180 meter square. So area of park equal to area of triangle CDE plus area of rectangle ABC equal to 78 meter square plus 180 meter square equal to 258 meter square. So this was solution of worksheet 2